This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a Google Cloud project and enabling the map's JavaScript API plus any extras like geocoding or places. Once done, enable billing because the key won't work without it. Create an API key and restrict it to your site via HTTP referrers. This prevents misuse. Make sure you record the project ID and key. Finally, include the Google Maps script tag with your key and required libraries, so the browser can request the API immediately. You now create the map container and initialize the map object in your app code. First, give the map div explicit width and height so tiles render. Then call new Google Maps. Map with your center and zoom. You can add markers, info windows, and click handlers to expose data. Once you need addresses or place searches, call the geocoder or places services, making sure to sequence calls after the API loads via a callback or promise. Also throttle requests to respect quotas. You finish by securing and optimizing before deployment. Lock the API key to your domains and limit it to necessary APIs, then set quota and budget alerts in Cloud Console so charges don't surprise you. For performance, lazy load the script, cluster many markers, and cache geocode results. Deploy and monitor usage metrics. If things go wrong, first inspect the browser console for messages about invalid key, billing, referrers, or exceeded quota. This one check fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.